For years, the only raised toilet seats available for adults were essentially oversized toilet seats, like those originally designed for babies and toddlers. Made with cold, hard white plastic, these seats never did fit right and were embarrassingly unsightly. Thankfully, a new generation of raised toilet seat is now available. Restore your toileting comfort, safety, and dignity with the Ultimate by Platinum Health. The Ultimate is a premium padded adjustable height raised toilet seat. This multifunction seat features a warm-to-the-touch, soft, padded seat surface for maximum comfort and relaxation. The padded, weight-bearing armrests act as non-slip leverage points to make sitting and standing from the seat easier and safer. The armrests also prevent users from sliding off the seat while providing an overall sense of safety and security. The adjustable height function means that the toilet seat height can be perfectly customized to the user's requirements and eliminates guessing about ordering the correct size. As the user's health conditions change over time, the seat height can be easily readjusted to maintain proper safety and function. The Ultimate rests solidly on the floor with no cumbersome attachment to the toilet required. It can never slip off the toilet like old-style plastic seats, and cleaning is quick and easy. The Ultimate can also be quickly moved and stored and is easy to transport. It can be assembled and disassembled in mere seconds, with no tools required. The Ultimate provides unparalleled versatility. It's like getting 3 products for the price of 1. It can be used over the toilet and as a bedside commode, thanks to the included commode pail. It can also be used as a shower chair, since the padding will never absorb water, and the medical-grade aluminum frame will never rust. The Ultimate comes in our signature high-view blue color, making it easier to distinguish from its surroundings when compared to old-style white plastic seats. For visually and cognitively challenged users, this helps to significantly reduce the risk of slips and falls, the leading cause of accidental death in people over 65. The Ultimate raised toilet seat is the perfect toileting companion for users that value comfort, safety, reliability, and dignity as
Please subscribe. Select the bell icon for notification. Like, share and comment to get more about healthcare for your future.